Have you ever put salt in your refrigerator? In this video, I'll show you why you absolutely should, because salt in the refrigerator has two direct advantages. The first is for your vegetables. If you store vegetables in your refrigerator, you naturally want them to last as long as possible. It doesn't matter if it's cucumbers, tomatoes, eggplants, carrots, or anything else. With salt in the refrigerator, you can ensure that they stay crisp and fresh for significantly longer. All you need is a small amount of salt. Grab a dish sponge and put some salt on top. It doesn't need to be a huge amount. A spoon or two is perfectly sufficient. Take this sponge and place it in the refrigerator, ideally near your vegetables. The salt draws moisture from the air, which the vegetables can no longer absorb. This keeps all your vegetables fresh and crisp for much longer. But as I said, salt also has a second advantage. It can also remove bad odors from the refrigerator. You don't even have to throw away salt from the fridge afterwards, because you can still use it for cooking and seasoning. Thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.